Here's some Restoration Campaigns trivia. Subscribe. Which English king attempted to restore the monarchy in 1660? Is it A. Edward IV, B. James I, C. Charles II, or D. Henry VIII? The correct answer is C. Charles II. In which year did the Meiji Restoration begin in Japan? Is it A. 1850, B. 1885, C. 1868, or D. 1875? The correct answer is C. 1868. Who was the last Holy Roman Emperor before restoration efforts in 1806? Is it A. Ferdinand I, B. Leopold II, Francis II, or D. Charles IV? Correct answer is C. Francis II. Who led the restoration in France after the July Revolution? Is it A. Louis XVI, B. Louis-Philippe III, C. Charles X, or D. Napoleon Bonaparte? The correct answer is B. Louis-Philippe I. What major Caribbean nation experienced restoration movements post-independence? Is it A. Cuba, B. Dominican Republic, C. Jamaica, or D. Haiti? The correct answer is D. Haiti. Which emperor was restored to power during the Meiji Restoration? Is it A. Emperor Hirohito, B. Emperor Meiji, C. Emperor Showa, or D. Emperor Taisho? The correct answer is B. Emperor Meiji. In British history, what event led to the restoration of monarchy in 1660? Is it A. Glorious Revolution, B. Peasants' Revolt, C. English Civil War, or D. Anglo-Dutch War? The correct answer is C. English Civil War. Which architect is known for his work during the Italian Renaissance restoration? Is it A. Giorgio Vasari, B. Carlo Scarpa, C. Raphael Sanzio, or D. Andrea Palladio? The correct answer is D. Andrea Palladio. What type of religious congregations formed during the Restoration movement? Is it A. Muslim organizations, B. Baptist sects, C. Christian denominations, or D. Catholic churches? The correct answer is C. Christian denominations. What economic theory gained popularity during the restoration of the 17th century? Is it A. Communism, B. Capitalism, C. Mercantilism, or D. Socialism? The correct answer is C. Mercantilism. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.